As Pi Network edges closer to a historic moment, the anticipated launch of its open mainnet is set to reshape the cryptocurrency landscape. This significant development marks a crucial milestone in the journey of a platform that has captured the attention of millions of users globally. Users and enthusiasts of Pi Network are eagerly anticipating the day when they can widely utilize Pi Coin, both for daily transactions and on a larger scale. With ongoing innovations and developments, Pi Network is poised to embark on a promising new phase in the world of cryptocurrency, a community-driven initiative. At the heart of Pi Network's success lies its vibrant community, which has played a vital role in shaping the platform's trajectory. As more users join the network, their collective efforts and feedback will be instrumental in refining Pi's features and functionality. The commitment to a user-centered approach reflects a growing trend in the cryptocurrency space, where community engagement is becoming increasingly important. In conclusion, the impending launch of Pi Network's open mainnet heralds a new era not just for its users, but for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. By prioritizing accessibility, security, and community involvement, Pi Network stands ready to make a significant impact as it transitions into this new chapter. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share. Thank you,